If you're experiencing pending transfers on Snapchat, it's important to resolve them promptly to ensure your transactions are completed. Follow these steps to address the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause delays in processing your transfers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update Snapchat. Make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Outdated apps may have bugs that affect transactions. Go to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and update it if necessary. Step 3. Verify payment information. Check your payment information linked to your Snapchat account. Ensure that your bank account or card details are correct and that there are no issues with your payment method. Step 4. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve glitches. Close Snapchat completely and reopen it to see if the pending transfers are updated. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about the pending transfers and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Snapchat. If problems continue, keep an eye on updates from Snapchat for further solutions.